Welcome. Today we're diving into a complete tutorial on PI planning. We'll cover the basics, the key players, and show you exactly how to run a digital session using Lucid. What is PI planning in SAFe? Program increment planning is a cadence-based event that serves as the heartbeat of the Agile release train, aligning all teams to a shared mission. How long does a PI planning event take? A standard session lasts 2 days. It occurs every 8 to 12 weeks to keep the entire Agile release train in sync. Who participates in PI planning? The event brings together the entire Agile release train, including the RTE, product management, system architects, and all Agile teams and key stakeholders. To keep such a large group focused, the event follows a strict agenda. Let's look at the main steps of a PI planning event to see how it flows. Day 1 starts with leadership presenting the business context and product vision. Teams then break out to create their draft plans and identify initial dependencies and risks. On Day 2, management addresses issues from the draft plans. Teams refine their work, present final plans, and hold a confidence vote to commit to the increment. What is a program board in PI planning? Often called an ART planning board, it's a visual radiator that maps out features, milestones, and cross-team dependencies across the upcoming iterations. Now, let's jump into the product. Here is your step-by-step tutorial, how to run a digital PI planning session using the power of the Lucid Suite. Start by selecting the SAFe PI planning template. This provides a centralized space for your agenda, team breakout boards, and the master program board, all in one canvas. Use breakout boards to give each team a private space for their local planning. You can monitor progress in real time and jump in to help without leaving the main board. Drag and drop lines between team boards to map dependencies. These visual links update automatically, ensuring that everyone can see how their work impacts the rest of the train. Lucid integrates directly with Jira and Azure DevOps. This means your digital sticky notes stay in sync with your backlog, eliminating manual data entry after the event. With Lucid, PI planning becomes a streamlined, collaborative experience for every team. Visit our website to try our templates and start your next program increment with confidence.